Good news around D100 community partnerships.
The goal is to establish a foundation of solid parent and community partnerships.
Freedom has been lucky enough to have benefited from several community partnerships so far this year. At the start of the year, Ms. Pravda and Ms. Labar organized for the Loyola Mobile Clinic to come to Freedom to provide sports physical, and immunizations for their students so they can come in school and participate in sports. Each year, Morton invites 25 8th grade leaders to the Leadership Summit, in which students meet Morton student leaders and engage in leadership development. Mike Belcaster partnered with the Western Suburban Special Recreation Association to provide a day of wheelchair basketball for 8th grade students, something that allowed all students to participate and understand and embrace differences.
Irving School has benefited from several community partnerships since day one, starting with their walk to school day with the Berwyn Police, Fire Department, Alderwoman, and more. The Eagles received healthy snacks from local businesses and have also worked with community officials to promote safety in and out of the building. Recently, they had a representative from Code.org to work with their 5th graders during Hour of Code. Lastly, Irving partnership with Concordia has provided them with several student teachers in their co-taught and cross-cat classes.
Piper has partnered with Morton West High School for the last 3 years with their after-school academic assistant program for 3rd to 5th graders. NHS students come to Piper to help tutor students in reading and math. During Dr. Seuss Week, they invited Berwyn firefighters and police officers to read to their classes. For their fitness night, Piper invited McNeil Hospital and Berwyn's first yoga student to educate students about making healthy choices. For Veterans Day, they collected items from veterans and donated them to Vines Veterans Hospital in Maywood. And for their winter concert, they collected non-perishable food items and donated them to St. Leonard's Food Pantry in Berwyn. Other family and community events included family mini golf night and family versus teacher kickball game.
The HMS Community Buddy Program partners community members with targeted students to provide additional support and positive role models. Volunteers from the community include staff from the Berwyn Park District, Youth Crossroad, and the Berwyn Police Library, the Berwyn Public Library, local college students, and other individual citizens. These community members are making a significant contribution to the lives of the HMS students. The HMS Family Reading Night involved several community groups, including the local author, the Berwyn Public Library, who helped families get library cards, and Lalo's, who donated food. The Rachel's Challenge Club has participated in several community events, most recently working with the St. Leonard's Food Pantry, and having a mint tree for the community families.
Emerson Elementary connected with the community by hosting Breakfast with Santa for their families. They also had an opportunity to take a field trip to Morton West and to connect with the local high school. While there, they interacted with the theater stage crew to learn about how they manage their theater department.
Hiawatha School is proud to participate in community events and invite members of the communities to their school. This fall, they hosted the District Pink Zumba party and had many students dance and have fun to support breast cancer. They also had guest speaker Matt Wilhelm come into their school and talk about the importance of bully awareness, all while showing the students the importance of trust. In November, many staff and students in grades 3 to 5, participated in the Girls on a Run 5K on Montrose Harbor. Despite the poor weather conditions, the girls learned to persevere and achieve a personal goal of completing a 5K.
Purging School is partnering with several organizations to improve learning and health habits for their students. The University of Illinois Extension Service is working with their parents at monthly coffees to teach them about healthy eating habits. The U of I Extension Services is also leading an after-school club beginning this month to combine learning how to cook and prepare food with building healthy eating habits. Miss August has secured a grant and is partnering with Nike with the intention of students self-assessing their fitness habits by tracking their progress as they try to reach their goal of running 4 marathons. Parents will be participating with their students. Their family fitness night, Girls on the Run, and other running clubs have included parent and have inspired many of our parents to work out more regularly with their children. The local McDonald's has committed to monthly profit-sharing evenings purging, helping secure more needed literacy and math materials. Their students have recently raised awareness through a fundraising walk for the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation and for breast cancer awareness.
Kamensky has been lucky enough to build upon a strong foundation of community engagement this year. Berwick Public Library continues to be a strong supporter of literacy around the school, including participation during our annual Family Literacy Night. Additionally, we've forged a new relationship with the Berwyn Fire Department, with them donating new winter coats to all first and second graders this year. Finally, we are excited to be building relationships with a number of organizations who can support our development learning program, including new involvement with art and pet therapies.
Have a great Institute Day from Alejandra and Leslie at Freedom.